What's going on, guys? All right, trailer MR2, she's coming home. All right, well, like I just said, this one is finally coming home. That one's still staying here, still a longer project. This one though, time to bring her home and definitely really get to work on it. So before I can load it onto the trailer, you guys remember this one's the 3rd gen swap one. Anyways, before I can load it on the trailer, I gotta get the seats out of this one, put them into there, and take it home. Sorry, baby, I gotta take some of your parts. Let's do this. Guys, I am so excited right now. Bam, look at that. He's on the trailer. She's finally coming home. Got her tied down. Got all the parts in there, all the wide body, spoiler, side skirts and everything in there. Oh, I can't believe this, man. This is actually happening. It's going to finally happen. So this, again, this is the 93 Gen 3 swapped race car build sort of thing. All right, let's take it home. Alright guys, so I just got home late last night, but it is finally home. Gotta get it off the trailer and into the garage. It's gonna be in there. That's your little spot over there. Alright, let's do this. It's not gonna be a video because it's a lot of work and I gotta give the truck back, so I'll get back to you guys later today. Sweet. Well, it's in the garage. It's all cleaned up, ready to go. The garage is cleaned up, I organized. Mercedes is gone now, so now it's the MR2's turn. This project's definitely gonna take off now. Man, look at all this room I have. There's room for activities. It's definitely a tiny little car. They didn't have room back here. Look at that. Oh, that's so nice. Yay. Anyways, there's the car. Obviously dirty. One of the first things I'm going to do, actually, took the T-tops off because it was easier to get off the trailer, but one of the first things I'm going to do, put those tops back on, close the window, roll it back outside, or drive it because it dries. Anyways, take it back outside and actually wash the car. I know you guys might think that's weird, but it's very dirty and I don't want it to sit in the garage dirty. I want it, you know, start with a clean slate, I guess you could say, and then I'm going to clean up the interior a little bit. And then after that, on the agenda, it's going to be to get it running well. And that's going to have to figure out the sputtering and the dying when you press the accelerator a little bit, see what that is. And then I can order whatever parts I'll need. Maybe I can finally check the check engine light this time. Maybe it'll work for some reason. Whatever reason, it didn't work the first time. But yeah, she's home, guys. This is going to be awesome. I'm hoping and planning with this 2 videos a week at least. Maybe 10-15 minute videos, but this one's gonna be a fun one, so definitely get ready for that. And that over there is the wheels for it, which I already ordered about freaking 6 months ago. It's gonna be awesome, guys, I promise. If you guys don't follow me on Instagram, find me, look up the link. It's road_noise_YT. Follow me. There's some pictures on there that I put with actually all the body panels and pieces that I purchased for this car. So you guys will kind of get an update. But other than that, I mean, what else is there to say? It's a project. It's gonna be a nice one. So that's where I'm gonna end this video. It's a shorter one, but it's mainly focused, there you go, it's mainly focused all for the MR2 and stuff. But definitely subscribe, follow, like, give me a thumbs up, guys. It definitely helps, it supports. I appreciate all you guys. This build's gonna be awesome, I promise you guys that. I have so many things to go on this car, so many plans for it. And it's actually gonna happen this time. I promise. It's not gonna be like the other times. Because the car is now home. The car is now home, excuse me. And it's gonna get built.